Timmy, help.
Is Mike coming?
Mike, I just got shot. I need you to call me an ambulance. It's 911. Mike, hurry. I don't feel my kidneys.
911, what you want?
My friend just got stabbed by a...
Can you wait 10 minutes? That's when I go on lunch break.
I tricked you, yo.
What? Hold on.
911. 911.
What the fuck, man?
Yo,
You're gonna fucking
I
die.
hired that guy, so
Yeah, go fuck yourself.
I won the bet.
Son, I said I clean up.
Dude, there's nothing wrong with this
Come on,
place.
this is what you do before we show up, man.
Yeah, I was trying.
You got, while you wait for your stars, you gotta prepare.
No,
Nice.
I was trying.
Purple fucking brush as a gay boy. It's cool.
You.
Robot jack off machine.
Here's all
Papa,
this porn.
stop. Papa, stop. Yo, I got my underwear's out.
Bro.
Wow, this commercial's so freaking stupid. Dude, this is so unrealistic.
What's so realistic about it? You can get meningitis.
No, I'm not talking about the meningitis. I'm talking about not talking for 55 years.
Right, 55 years.
No, alright.
Take 357.
Wow, this commercial's so freaking stupid.
Start it again.
Oh,
Let's do it again.
stupid. Shit.
What's so unrealistic? Not talking for 50 years?
Getting meningitis.
Getting meningitis is realistic.
Ian, come to Grandpa. Ian.
Alright. Ready, go.
Shit, yo. My needle's coming out. Alright.
You got meningitis. Don't get meningitis.
Sit on my face, Ian.
I don't want a mustache ride, Daddy.
Ah.
Try again.
Mike! Oh, is the lip. Wait, you don't. Fuck! Okay, got it.
It actually looks like you're. Again, say it again. So you want to bulk out these 30-pound weights, you fucking loser?
Available when I'm not connected to the internet.
Ed, you just assume Mike always wants food?
It's peanut butter. I always want peanut butter.
I love peanut butter. Boy, you ate a lot of, you drank a lot of piss since the last was here.
The gang's all here.
But if you want, I can remove that for you. Hey, shit, I messed up.
Fucking hell.
I had to do it twice. Actually, put your pants down, please.
I have my dance on, I'm wearing my boxers.
Let's see Mike's sponsors.
I'm wearing my good one.
Shut up. Go. Ed, get out of here. My mom's paying for me to jack off. Fucking got that on tape. Hi, Ed. In editing. Fuck you, Ed.
Damn it, Mike!
That gay ass walk.
Fuck.
Other way! Oh, it took your knees 2 seconds to learn this piece of shit. And you're practicing?
I got it. Whoa there. Oh. Oh, hey there. Fuck. Damn it.
Take 50 trying to open this fucking toy.
Damn it.
It takes seconds to act. See, it works. Is anyone gonna help me?
Mike,
Yo,
leave
my
it.
garbage is in the way.
Leave
Unsubscribe.
Leave
Unsubscribe. At me, and then still leave it there.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh wait. Okay.
What do you mean wait?
Oh wait, leave it there, and then I'm gonna get blood. When you pull it out, there's gonna be blood here now. So I'm gonna do another cut.
Yeah, Ed?
Oh, black shirt.
So I throw it down. How real does that look? Lit?
Bro, I'll take the shirt. Piece. Fine. It's a good shirt.
I just got stabbed. Call the cops.
Oh, man, you okay, man?
No, you can't talk to. Oh, this is a pain to get off. Did someone hire male strippers?
One go.
And number one, what you want? I ain't got time for this. You know I get out of lunch and. Fuck. Alright. What should I say?
I can hear your dog breathing from the other side of the room.
Sing it louder just to let the world know. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness.